pagbati na may ngiti sa aking mga labi. Naghahanap ba kayo ng makakatuwang sa pagre-review ng inyong anak? Meron yan sa DepEd. Ang ETUlay online tutorial ay libre at handog ng ating kagawaran sa pangunguna ng OUA ICTS EdTech. Ito ay isang proyektong makatutulong sa mga mag-aaral, katuwang ang mga magulang o kasama sa kani-kanilang tahanan para masagutan at maunawaan ang mga modules. Hangad din ng programang ETUlay ang matulungan ang ating mga guro sa kanilang mga blended learning classes. Ang ating ETUlay ay mula kinder hanggang senior high school. Bukod sa academics, meron din tayong mga special programs gaya ng All is Wellness, Reading and Math Remediation, Storytelling, Mommy Tech Talks, Classes sa Gramatika, Speech Class, Financial Literacy, at marami pang iba. Pinalawig din ng ETUlay ang ating Alive program para sa mga mag-aaral mula grade 1 hanggang grade 3. Gayun din ay mayroon tayong ALS program at SPED tutorials na makasisigurong makakamit ng lahat ang inclusive education. May SPED hotline na rin para sa inyong mga katanungan patungkol sa special education. Kaya, subaybayan mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, mula 9:00 ng umaga hanggang 7:00 ng gabi ang ating ETUlay. Sa ating pagtutulungan, maiaangat natin ang bawat isa. Ating itutulay ang pagkatuto upang di mapigil ang pag-aaral ng kabataang Pilipino. Itulay natin ito, sulong edukalidad.
Mabuhay! Isang mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. Ako ang inyong lingkod, Tutor Madge. Welcome sa ating ETUlay, ang ating libreng online tutorial na hatid ng ating kagawaran ng edukasyon, ICTS EdTech. Ang programang ito ay inaasahang makatutulong at maging karagdagang kaalaman sa mga mag-aaral mula kinder hanggang senior high school, ALS, Alive, at SPED learners. Bukod sa pagsagot ng mga modules, ang ETUlay ay may mga special programs din na siguradong aabangan ninyo araw-araw. Katuwang ang ating mga minamahal na mga magulang at guro ay maitutulay natin ang pagkatuto. Kaya, ihanda na ang inyong module, lapis, papel o kwaderno. Ihanda rin ang isip, mata at tenga sa isa na namang makabuluhang aralin. Tayo nang matuto kasama ang inyong volunteer online tutor sa oras na ito.
Good morning mga ka-ETUlay, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Welcome to another Friday of our Junior High School Math Remediation Program. Okay, so ako po ang inyong lingkod. Ako po si Tutor Rochelle na makakasama ninyo ngayong umagang ng Friday mula 10:30 to 11 a.m. dito lang sa ating DepEd ETUlay online tutorial. Okay, so pass muna for today si Tutor Ken, no? Mag-unwind muna si Tutor Ken sa Palawan to see the places, no? Kasi kailangan, so overwork na yata si Tutor Ken, kaya kailangan niya munang mag-relax. Okay, so binabati ko nga pala bago tayo mag-start ng ating third quarter topics. We have, wow, andito na si Kerubin Villamor. Hello, Kerubin. And andyan na rin si Samantha. Hello, Samantha. Andyan na rin si Alriza. Wow! Ay, present na ang aking tatlo. Talaga namang laging andito sa ating math remediation natin for today, no? I-shoutout natin ang math teacher ni Kerubin, si Mr. Marlo Talamayan. Okay, Tamano. Mr. Marlo Tamano. Yan. And, syempre, i-shoutout din natin ang ating yan. Ano naman tayo? Kay Samantha. Good morning, watching from Liano High School, SDO Caloocan. So, sa lahat ng mga teachers at ng principal natin sa Liano High School, good morning po. At syempre, i-shoutout din natin ang school or ang pinanggalingang school ni Alriza mula sa Pampanga High School. Okay? At andito rin, no? Oo nga, ang hina ng signal every Friday. Tama kayo dyan. Okay? Andito na rin si Crisandra Dimple Francisco. Welcome, Crisandra. Good morning, watching when listening from Mariano National High School, Maine. Okay, grade 9, Eucalyptus. So, batiin din natin ang kanilang teacher, si Ma'am Janet Corpus. Okay, at hello, Janet Patayon mula sa Massachusetts. Hello to Asiya F. Patayon ng grade 7, Creative, Kalumpang National High School, Marikina. Diba? Ang dami natin from NCR at from other parts ng ating bansa, no? Okay, we are now on our week 6. So last week nag-aral tayo ng tinatawag nating polygons. So for today, ang topic naman natin would be the area of a regular polygon. Okay? So nakakatuwa na nagagamit niyo yung lesson natin itong consecutive 2 weeks natin na lesson na nagagamit ng grade 7, no? So sana ito yung maging daan pa, no, para mas lalong sumipag ang ating mga shooties dito sa ETUlay. So umpisahan na natin kung ready na kayo. Muna tayo, review muna tayo. Okay? So ito yung mga pinag-aralan natin last week. Inintroduce natin yung mga iba't ibang klase ng polygon. So we have here the triangle, the quadrilateral, okay, the pentagon, which is the 5-sided polygon. We also have the 6-sided hexagon, which is the hexa. Okay? So next is the 7-sided polygon, which is the heptagon. Okay? How about the 8-sided polygon? We have it as good. Alam niyo yan. We have the octagon. Okay? And how about the 9-sided polygon? If we have octagon for 8, 9 is nonagon. Good. Okay, and syempre yung pang-10 natin, the 10-sided polygon, ano nga yan? Natatandaan pa ba? Okay, so that is, yan ang itsura niya, habang 10-sided yan. Yes. Okay, so that is decagon. Di ba matatandaan yan? Di ba kapag 10 taon per dekada na, di ba? Okay, so yan yun. Decade, it's sa English word natin, it's decade. Sa sa polygon natin, it's decagon. Okay? So, ni-review din natin na pagka 11-sided, anong tawag natin dyan? Okay, uno, diba? Andecagon. Okay? So, kapag naman 12, so that is duo or pangalawa, no? Kasi dodecagon ang tawag natin. At kapag naman mataas na o marami na siya, di ba? So, anong ginagawa natin? Ano ang nilalagay natin doon? Wow, bibilis sumagot, ha? Okay, so nilalagyan lang natin siya ng, di ba, N. Okay, tapos yung kanyang word. Okay? Gon, yun. Bawa, 20 gon. Okay? 23 gon. Okay? So, yun yung dinadagdag natin. Okay? Very good. Alam na nila yung dodecagon, which is a 12-sided polygon. Okay? Ano pa ba yung mga na-i-review natin or mga dapat natin i-review? Okay? Ni-review rin natin or dapat alam na natin na a circle is not a polygon. Okay? So, may mga curves, may mga loops, okay? So, circle has no sides and segments. That's why a circle is not a polygon. Okay? So, flat siya and that is yung tinatawag natin na all lines are connected. Although sa circle connected naman, but it has no sides and no segments. That's why a circle is not a polygon. But a circle is a shape. Okay? So kasama yan, but it's not a polygon. So same din no, yung moon, yung shape ng moon, no? Hindi yan kasama as part of a polygon. Okay? Ano pa yung napag-aralan natin nung nakaraang Friday? Okay? So we also have the definition of the convex and the concave. Okay? So ito raw yung definition natin ng convex. Okay? Once we extend the line, no? Extend this line. Okay? Yung kanyang outside line. Okay? Hindi sila nagko-cross or they do not intersect in the yung sa inside ng tinatawag natin na polygon. Okay? Compared to the convex, which is this one is a pentagon, a 5-sided polygon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one also is a pentagon din yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But when we extend the lines, okay, outside, or yan, tinatawag natin, okay, nagko-cross sila, no? They cross inside the polygon. That's why, if they cross inside the polygon, ang tawag natin doon ay concave polygon. Okay? So, yan yung mga napag-aralan natin o mai-recall natin sa mga napag-aralan natin last week. Okay? So, for today, we're going to have our quarter 3, week 6 topic, which is the area of a regular polygon. Okay? Yung mga, ano ba yung mga how do we define that one? Okay? So now, let's have our learning goal. Dalawa lang ang ating learning goal for this week. We have number 1, define the area of a polygon. And we have to compute the area of a regular polygon. Ito na, no? So we have to ready your calculators or kung magagaling kayong mag-compute manually, that's good kasi nahahasa yung ating numerical facility, no? Napatitignan mo lang yung number, simpleng multiplication and simpleng division, na may mental math mo siya. That's a good practice, no? Na tinitignan mo lang. Na you just don't depend on the calculator. Okay? Although, sinasabi nila na, lahat naman pwede naman ng calculator. Isipin mo na wala. No? Minsan, isipin mo na wala. Pero pagka higher number na, you can now use your calculators. Okay? So, for our today's meeting, you're going to have a computation. Kasi, more on problem solving ang atake natin ngayon sa ating online tutorial. Okay, so ready na? Okay, so let us introduce first the area of a polygon. Ito yung first objective natin. Okay, so dapat ma-define natin ano ba yung area of a polygon. Okay, so in geometry, the area is defined as the region occupied inside the boundary of two-dimensional figure. Diba? The definition of a polygon, it is a two-dimensional figure or it is a dimensional figure enclosed, no? Dapat lahat ng mga lines ay naka-enclose, hindi pwedeng open. Kapag naka-open yung line na yun, hindi yan polygon. But in here, the area of a polygon is the region occupied inside the boundary. So kaya nireview natin yung convex and concave kasi sa convex, diba, yung area dun sa gitna, yun yung tinatawag nating area of a polygon. Okay? Ano pa? Therefore, the area of a polygon is the total space or the region bounded by the sides of a polygon. So, kung ano yung naka-enclose sa side niya, yung nasa loob nun, yun yung tinatawag na total space, region bounded by the sides of the polygon. So, yun yung i-compute natin. Yung total space yan o yung region bounded na yan sa loob. Okay? So now, let us now define the regular polygon. So meron ba tayong irregular polygon? Kasi merong regular eh. So meron ba tayong irregular? Yes. Okay, pero dito muna tayo mag-focus sa regular. So when a polygon is called regular, if it has equal side and angles. Okay, so equal sides and angle. So pare-pareho ng sukat yung kanyang sides at yung angle niya sa loob ay pare-pareho din. So we call that as a regular polygon. Okay, so now let's start with this one. Okay, the area of a polygon using the concept of the apothegm. So, basahin natin to ha. Again, you read it aloud to yourself. Okay, apothegm. Okay? So, ang concept natin, meron tatlong way of how are we going to compute the area of a regular polygon. Kasi yung pangalawa nito, yung una pala ito ay, ito nga, the concept of the apothegm. Yung pangalawa naman, the concept of the triangle. So, syempre, gagamit tayo doon ng sine, cosine, and gagamit tayo doon ng tangent o yung trigonometric, yung special triangle. Since hindi nyo pa yan hindi nyo pa yan na ile-lesson, so hindi mo na yun yung ating hindi mo na yung ating i-remediate. So, this would be an advanced lesson to everybody, no? Okay, again, ang gagamitin natin ay the concept of apothegm. So, let us see first ano ba yung formula? Okay, the formula for computing the area of the regular polygon is, okay, area of the regular polygon is 1/2 the perimeter that is multiplied to the apothegm. Okay, again, 1/2 the area of the regular polygon is half of the perimeter multiplied to the apothegm. Okay, now let's define first what is a perimeter. Okay. So, a perimeter, okay, you can have it as 1/2 perimeter or A. Perimeter times A, wherein P stands for perimeter and A stands for the apothegm. Okay, so therefore, the perimeter of the polygon is the sum, okay, equals the sum of all the side lengths of a polygon. Okay, again, the perimeter of the polygon is the sum of all the side lengths of a polygon. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng side ng polygon, i-add natin yon. Pag na-add mo yon ay tinatawag nating perimeter. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so what is the perimeter of this hexagon? Okay, so I'll be waiting for your answers in the chat box. Okay? Ayan o, galing o. Close figure po at 2D po siya. Very good. Yan yung definition natin kanina. Okay? So, regular polygon kapag equal ang mga sides at angles nila. Very good, Kervin. Okay. So, now let's go back to this. What is the perimeter of this hexagon? So, this is a hexagon and this is the measure of its side. So, what is the perimeter of this hexagon? Let's see. Hintayin ko yung sagot sa chat box. Okay? Again, kapag sinabi nating perimeter, ibig sabihin equal sides yung mga yan. So, i-add lang natin lahat ng kanilang sides. At makukuha na natin yung perimeter. Okay. So, sa Janet says it's 48 cm. Any other answer? Wow. So, Jezreel Lloyd says 48 cm also. Okay. So, therefore, the answer is correct. Okay. So, kung ilan yung side, example, a hexagon has 6 sides. So, multiply lang natin na 6 times 8, that is equal to 48. So, syempre, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So, syempre, 6 na 8, that is equal also to 48. How about this one? What is the perimeter of this regular pentagon? Okay, so this is the pentagon, no? Yan yung regular. Okay. Anong sagot kaya nila? What is the perimeter? Yan, very good. Hindi ko nahintay yung sagot ng iba, no? I show up already the answer. Sige, this time, I'll be waiting for your answer with the perimeter of this regular pentagon. Yan. Kerubin says 35 centimeter. Jezreel says 35 centimeter. Who else? Sige, hintayin ko yung sagot ng iba. So, yan, no? Nakukuha natin no, kung paano or dapat nakikita agad natin na, ito, ganito yung pagkuha ng perimeter. Okay? So, Janet says 35, Samantha says 35 centimeter also. Very good. You are correct. Okay, how about this one? How about if we have an octagon that is 10 centimeter on its side? Kailangan pa ba natin ng card dyan? Siyempre, hindi na. Good. Okay. So this is an octagon with each side has 10 centimeter. Ano kaya ang sagot natin dyan? Yan. Jezreel and Kerubin says 80 centimeter. Very good ang sagot ninyo ha. You don't just place 80. Okay? May units na kayo. Diba? Nasasanay na kayo na ang sagot ninyo ay 80 centimeter. That's good. Okay? Yan. Okay, so you're right. That is 80 centimeter. Last, how about what is the perimeter of this heptagon? Okay, the heptagon with its side its side is 6 centimeter. Okay, side of a heptagon is 6 centimeter. Ano ba? Ilang side ba yung heptagon? So you can just count it from the picture. Okay. Very good yan, no? Nakakasanayan ninyo na pagka sumasagot ng ganyan. Wow. Kasi ito ay perimeter. So, you just simply add, no? You copy the units. Okay, Samantha, Kerubin, Janet, and Jezreel says 42 centimeter. Good. Yan. Okay. So, that's how easy you get, no? That's how easy you get or you compute for the perimeter. Kasi yun yung kailangan natin, unang-unang kailangan natin kapag ko-compute tayo ng area of a regular polygon. Ibig sabihin, minsan, hindi given yung perimeter. Okay? So, in getting the, minsan ang given dyan ay side lang. Okay? Side lang pala to eh. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa yan yung perimeter. Kasi ang perimeter is, okay, you add all the sides or it's the sum of the sides of a polygon. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yung 10 na yan, isang side lang yan. Kung may 10 side yung octagon. So, pag in-add natin yan, ang tawag natin ay perimeter. Okay, now, diba? Tapos na tayo, na-define na natin yung concept na ay yung definition ng perimeter. Okay. So, now, we have to define the apothem. Okay. So, the apothem is the line segment from the center of the polygon to the midpoint of one of the sides. Okay? So, kanina nakita natin, may mga sides talaga ang polygon. So, ang sabi dito, it is the line segment from the center. So, from the center of the polygon, okay, meron siyang tinatawag na o nag-draw siya ng line to the midpoint of one of the sides. Para mas maintindihan natin, let's have it in the picture. So, this is the apothem of a hexagon. Again, a hexagon is a 6-sided polygon. Take a look. Okay? Ito yung hexagon and the side is 8 cm. Magdodrawing ako ng apothem. Okay? Yan. So, sabi niya, from the center of the polygon, okay, nagdodraw siya ng line to the, okay, midpoint. Anong din yung tawag nating midpoint? Pag sinabi nating midpoint, ito yung line o ito yung isang side ng ating polygon, hinahati niya yan sa gitna. Ang tawag doon ay midpoint. Okay? Or simply, ang tawag dyan ay apothem. Okay? So, another example is, yan, binigyan na natin ng sukat. Okay? If this is 8 cm, yung side ng hexagon natin, mula dito sa center ng polygon, papunta sa kanyang side, which is, okay, ang sukat daw niyan ay 6.5. Okay, anong ginagawa or anong nangyayari kapag hinahati ni apothem, okay, o nagkakaroon tayo ng apothem. sa isang side ng tinatawag natin sa isang side ng regular polygon. So pag hinati mo yan sa gitna, ibig sabihin yung sukat nito sa side ay hinahati mo rin. Okay? So we will divide this one, this 8. So ibig sabihin yung kabilang side na to ay 4 at yung kabilang side naman niya ay 8. So 4 plus 4, that is equal to 8. Okay? So minsan na yung ibang definition ay nakakabuo ng triangle. Okay? So next, this is the apothem of a regular pentagon. So let's see a pentagon. Gawin tayo ng apothem. Yan. Okay? Ulitin ko ang hinahati niya ay hindi yung pinakadulo. Ang hinahati niya ay yung side mismo ng polygon. Okay? So from the center, okay, down to the midpoint of one side. Okay? So pwede rin naman sa kabilang side. Okay? So yun yun. Next is, okay, so we have that one. The measure of this apothem is 3.5 centimeter. Okay? So next, yan, magsasolve na tayo. Okay, so ready na ba sila mag-solve? Sige, tingnan natin kung ready na sila mag-solve. Okay, basahin natin. Find the area of a regular pentagon whose perimeter is 40 units and whose apothem is 5 units. Again, find the area of a regular pentagon whose perimeter is 40 units and whose apothem is 5 units. So let's see first. Okay, the given are, we have the perimeter which is 40 units and the apothem which is 5 units. Let us show the formula. So that the area of a regular pentagon is 1/2 times the perimeter and the apothem. So what's the value of our perimeter? It's 40 units. Naka-given na kasi. And what's the value of our apothem? It's 5 units. So, can you tell me what's the final answer or what is the area of the regular polygon based on our solution? Can you tell me? So, we have there 1/2 of 40 units times 5 units. May I see your answers? Tingnan ko nga. We have also Maria Chris Bustamante. Very good, Maria. You're answering a while ago. No? Ngayon ko lang ulit na check. Anong sagot dito? 40 times 5 divided by 2. Okay, so yan ay, ang sagot natin? 100 units. So 100 square units. Kasi 40 times 5, that's 200. Divide natin yan sa 2, 100 na lang. Okay, next, number 2. Find the area of a regular pentagon whose apothem is 15 centimeter and side length of 18 centimeter. Okay, so let's show up the given. The given is, okay, the apothem is 15 centimeter. Okay, side length. So yung isang side lang ng pentagon is 18 centimeter. So 18 lang daw yon. Okay, so what we do is, we need to look for the perimeter. Wherein, i-multiply natin yung perimeter ng 5 times 18. So, 5 times 18, that is equal to 90 centimeter. Okay. So, ano nang meron pagka meron tayong 90 centimeter? So, may given na tayo, no? May given na tayo ng apothem. Meron na rin tayong given ng perimeter. Wow, thank you, Janet. Thank you, Samantha. Thank you, Jusril. Okay, you have your answer a while ago as 100 units. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so again, we show up our formula wherein 1/2 times the value of our perimeter, which is 90 centimeter, and the value of our apothem is 15 centimeter. Ulitin ko dito kinumpute natin yung 90 centimeter. Tama? Yung 90 centimeter na yan yung Okay, 5 times 18. Bakit 5 times 18? Kasi yan yung regular pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. Okay, so what is 1/2 of 90 times 15 centimeter? See? Hmm, sige nga. Tingnan nga natin kung tapos na sila. It is yan. 600. Meron pa ba iba? Sige, please, May. Compute mo ulit. Tapos i-text mo, i-message mo ulit dito. Okay, so the area of this polygon is equal to, okay, yan ay, ang hina ng internet natin, no? Okay, so yan ay 675 centimeter square. So, di ba? Centimeter times centimeter, centimeter square. Yeah. Next, number 3. Find the area of a regular hexagon whose apothem is 3.46 centimeter and side length of 4 centimeter. Okay, so apothem is 3. Okay, apothem is 3.46 and side length of 4 centimeter. So, ulitin natin dito side length. Isang side lang ang given. So, therefore, kukuhain ulit natin yung perimeter, which is a regular hexagon has 6 sides. Imumultiply natin yan sa side length, which is 4. What is the value of our perimeter? Very good, Jezreel. Very good, Kerubin. Your answer a while ago is 675 centimeters square. Thumbs up. Sige, dito na tayo. Masyado ba akong mabilis? O sige, ano natin? Dahan-dahan. Ano? Siguro naglalag pa yung internet. Okay. So, the value of our perimeter dito, wala yung perimeter na given. One side only. Pagka ganyan na nakikita ninyo, side length. Ibig sabihin, isang side lang yung given dyan. Okay? So, that is equal to 24. Good. So, let's show up our solution. That is, the area of a regular hexagon is 1/2 times the value of the perimeter, which is 24. Yan yung na-compute natin dito. And the value of the apothem, which is 3.46 centimeter. Okay. So, I'll be waiting for your answers. Let us see. Wow, Samantha has answered. Janet also has answered. Sige, hihintayin ko yung iba. Sagot ay 41.52 centimeter square. I understand na mahirap isulat yung centimeter square kasi mayroon siyang naka-exponent. Very good. Next, number 4. Find the area of a regular octagon whose apothem and side lengths are 3 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter. Dito, mapamano natin. Okay, magkasama yung unang sinabi ay apothem and then side lengths. Ibig sabihin, kapag sinulat natin yung given, okay, the apothem is, first yun, 3 centimeter. Sunod naman yan sinabi, side length. So, therefore, the side length of the regular octagon is 2.5. Now, okay, wala ulit yung perimeter dyan. So, we're going to compute for the perimeter, which is an octagon has 10 sides, or it is a 10-sided polygon. So, we multiply 10 times the side length, which is 2.5. That is equal to 10 times 2.5, that's equal to 25 centimeter. So, meron ka ng apothem, meron ka ng perimeter. We have now to put the value of the perimeter, which is 25, and the value of the apothem, which is 3 centimeter. So, what is 1/2? 25 times 3 centimeter. Let's have... Okay, number 4. Janet has answered, centimeter square. How about the others? Samantha also says 30. Good. How about the other answers? Okay, so Alriza says, wow, meron ng centimeter squared si, si Alriza. Very good. Jezreel also. No, ang gagaling na. Alam nyo, nakakatuwa yan, no, na talagang nag-effort kayo maglagay ng, ano, ng square, ng exponent rather. Okay, so the answer is, okay, 37.5 centimeter. Tama ba ako o mali ko? 25 so that is 75. Okay. Yung kanina bang sagot yan, yung 30? Okay, so next. Wow, tama na si Leslie May Managa. Okay, so let's have number 5. Sa number 5, magkaiba tayo ng, ayan. Okay, show up na yung perimeter. So, bigitilisan natin. The area of a regular hexagon is 64.5 square centimeter. And the apotem is 4.3 centimeter. How long is each side? Ayan, medyo confusing yung natin, no? Kasi ang given na po dito ay area of regular hexagon. Area na. Okay? So, let's see. So, we have here the apotem, the given, which is the apotem, 4.3 centimeter, and the area mismo, okay? 64.5 square centimeter, or centimeter may square siya. Okay? So, now, ang nawawala natin dito ay perimeter. Okay? So, tingnan natin, let us see first kung paano siya sinasubstitute sa formula. So, the area of a regular hexagon is 1/2 times the perimeter in the multiplied to the apotem. So, yan yun. So, the area is 64.5. Siya kasi yung may value. Tama? Ito yun. And 1/2, constant yan. So, ang meron tayo ay apotem. Wala tayong perimeter. Okay. So, what are we going to do if we have this one? So, the first thing that we're going to do is, tatanggalin natin dapat yung 2 dito sa baba, sa denominator niya. So, what we do is, we multiply both sides of the equation by 2. Okay. So, ito na yung 2. Okay, minultiply mo yung left side of the equation by 2, and you multiply also the right side of the equation by 2. Apparently, meron tayong ika-cancel dyan. Ano ika-cancel natin? Sagutin nyo nga ako. Ano ika-cancel natin dyan? It's okay, Janet, if you did something wrong. Okay? Ano ika-cancel natin dyan sa equation na yan? Sige nga, sagutin nga ako. We're going to... Dito sa equation na to, ano yan ika-cancel natin? Very good. Yung 2, yan ang ika-cancel natin. Okay, that's why we multiply both sides of the equation by 2 para ma-cancel yan. So, ang natira na lang ay 4.3 cm P. Okay? At para naman ma-eliminate natin yan at ang maiwan na lang ay P, so we divide both sides of the equation by 4.3. Okay, so compute sa calculator. 129 divided by 4.3. Okay. So, the answer is 30 centimeter. Okay. Now, ang tanong ko, ito na ba yung pinakasagot natin? 30 centimeter na ba? Yes or no? 30 centimeter na ba yung pinakasagot natin? Tama na ba yung 30 centimeter? Is that the perimeter? O yung sagot na perimeter, yan na talaga yung perimeter. But, the question is, in our problem solving, it's not the perimeter. Okay? Ang tinatanong ay, how long is each side? Okay? So, ang tinatanong ay side, hindi yung perimeter ng buong hexagon. Okay? So, what we do is, if the perimeter is equal to 30, we are going to divide that by 6. Bakit sa 6? Because it is a hexagon. And a hexagon has 6 sides. That's why if we divide 30 divided by 6, the answer is, anong sagot? Ayun, very good. Cancel po. Galing ah. So, cancel po yung 4.3. Very good. Kaya para P na lang yung maiwan. Okay, sige. Ano ang side? Ano ang side nito? How long is each side? If that is 30 divided by 6. 30 divided by 6? Isa pa. Ano kaya ang sagot dito? That is, tingnan natin. Isang side lang daw eh. Kapag yun lang yung kukuhain natin. Very good. So that is equal to 5 centimeter each side. Diba? Kung 5 yun, ang measure ng isang side, i-multiply natin sa 6, that's why we get 30 as our perimeter. Okay? So, yan. Ito kasi medyo kakaiba yung tinwist natin yung last part natin, yung number 5 natin na example. Okay? So, I hope you learned something for today. Okay? With the regular hexagon or yung matinatawag nating regular polygon, which is, pag sinabi nating regular polygon, okay, ano nga ulit yon? We have the sides and the angles are equal. Okay, so dapat pare-pareho ng sukat. Okay? And how do we get or how do we compute for the area of a hexagon? That is, the area is equal to 1/2 the measure of the perimeter multiplied to the apoten. Okay? So, I hope you learned something for today sa ating lesson. That's okay, Janet. Keep confusing hexagon and octagon. No problem. Talagang ganyan, no? Actually, kami nga ni Tutor Ken, when we remind na, oo nga eh, saan ka ba nalilito, Tutor Rochelle? Sabi niya sa akin. Sabi ko, nung bata ako, hilong-hilo ko sa hexagon at saka sa heptagon. Hindi ko alam kung anong 7 at saka yung 6. Okay? No. Now, okay, I hope you got the solution, and a big clap for you, for all of you, na talaga namang nagsasagot. Okay? And, of course, kahit na you still perfect score para sa akin. Okay? So, diyan nagtatapos ang ating session for today. Okay? At malapit na rin matapos ang month ng March, ang National Women's Month celebration. No? So, lagi, kami, Tuesday, yung Purple Tuesday natin. No? So, every Tuesday, you have to take a photo of you wearing a violet para pakikiisa. Okay, sa tinatawag natin na National Women's Month. At magtatapos na yan sa March 31. And for your comments and suggestions, just scan this QR code and don't forget to use this hashtag ETUlay level up or hashtag sulong edukalidad. Salamat sa mga tutis na natin nandito, si Alraisa, si Renz din, no? At saka si Sam, and then si Kerubin. You keep on posting sa ating DepEd ETUlay. So, nakaka-encourage siya ng mga bata. Thank you so much. And, pagka meron kayong mga maliliit na kapatid, so, paanin niyo sila dito sa tinatawag natin storytelling with Tutor Levin and Tutor Aaron of SDO Manila. Okay, so again, see you on next Friday for our new lesson. Circles naman tayo. Okay, kasi sabi natin, di ba, circle is not a polygon. So, si circle, meron siyang isang lesson. Special lesson si circle sa atin. Hindi natin siya ile-left behind, no? So, siya ang lesson natin. So, siya ang star natin for our next week session. That would be all. Salamat at see you again next time. Thank you!
Ang husay naman! Natapos mo ang iyong tutorial session kasama ang iyong mahusay na ETUlay tutor. May bago ka bang natutuhan? I-share na yan gamit ang hashtag ETUlay level up. Huwag aalis ha, dahil may susunod pang programa na pwede mo ring panoorin at salihan. Dahil naghihintay na ang iyong mga tutors. Happy learning dito sa ETUlay!